Hello, Neha. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. You applied for front-end position, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then before starting, just Neha, tell me about yourself. Just give
Yes,
me a brief introduction about yourself.
yes, sir. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. I would like to introduce myself, Neha Patle. I live in a Gondia. I have completed civil engineering in a MIT Gondia in a 2020 in a Nagpur University. I have a 2 years experience in TUC company. That's it. Sir.
Okay, good. Then why are you changing your current job?
Sir, uh, IT company is a best company, and they are a IT company. My interest is good, interesting coding part.
Question is that why are you changing your current job? Okay. Then Neha, tell me how much you rate yourself in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript out of 5?
3, sir.
3. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. First, we'll start HTML as CSS, then we'll start on JavaScript. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, tell me what is the HTML?
HTML is the hypertext markup language. It is the latest version, and our HTML5 is a updated version. It is creating web page and web designing.
Okay. Then tell me what is the difference between inline element and block level element?
Yes, sir. Uh, inline elements. Inline elements starts on a same line or same row, and a block level element are start in a new line. Inline elements are width is equals to the parent, and block level elements width equals to its parent. And inline CSS inline elements are um, content width, and width and height is not apply in inline CSS, and block level elements are apply in height and width, and inline CSS are padding or margin not apply, and block level elements are padding and margin all directions are apply.
Are you sure about padding?
Yes, sir. No, sir, margin only.
Okay. Okay, good. Then tell me what is the difference between display none and visibility hidden?
Yes, sir. Display none are its content are visible. Its content are uh, its content are hidden. Uh, in none.
Display none and visibility hidden. Yes.
Display none are content or not visible, and structures layouts are changed, and visibility hidden are elements are not changed, and layouts are not changed.
Okay. Just brush up on it. Okay. What is the box model?
Box model. Every HTML is a box model. There are various types of box model: content, padding, margin, and border. Content, it is the meta information holds by the holds by the content. Padding is a content, and border is called as padding. Border is a separator between
Yes. What is the padding?
margin.
Just
Padding,
what is the padding? Yes.
content and border between padding.
What is
Content and border.
content border?
Uh, Sorry, content.
Space between.
Space between.
Yes, okay.
Content and border is called as padding.
Next.
Border. It is separator between padding and margin. And margin border outside the border part is called as margin.
Okay. What is the box sizing?
Box sizing, it defines the height and width, is known as box sizing.
Okay, it is used to calculate width and
Height
height
and width
of HTML element.
HTML element.
Okay. What is the key difference between HTML element and tags?
HTML elements and tag. HTML elements means the opening tag and closing tag are means two closing and opening tag and closing tag are merged up. Text and HTML tags are HTML is a tag.
Okay. You check after the interview. What is the purpose of doc type?
Doc type, it is the fifth version of doc type. It is easy to HTML information are declare. So
Hello.
questions.
Yes. What is the purpose of doc type?
Which purpose? Doc type is a fifth version of HTML. Of creating web pages.
No. Okay. Okay, tell me what is the difference between EM and I tag?
Yes, sir. EM tag are HTML5 and I tag are EM tag is the emphasizes tag and I tag is italic tag. Emphasize tag are HTML5 element and italic tags are HTML4 version of HTML.
Okay. What is the attributes?
Attributes is the some meta information. Meta information to the information of HTML elements to the browser.
What is the mean by meta information?
Some information.
What is mean by meta information?
Only information. No idea meta information.
Okay. Then what is the float?
Floats are the various properties like left floats, right float, and none. When content are a left side are is called as left float, and content are shifted to the right side is called as a right float right, and none is a not float element content.
Then how to nullify the effects of float?
Display none.
Sure. How to nullify the effects of float property?
Sir, yes, yes. Visibility none. Display none.
Sure.
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay. You can check. Master data. Okay. Then tell me what are the list in HTML?
There are two types of list: unordered list and
And
order list.
order list. Okay.
Yes,
Just share your screen and show me one order list starting with the uh,
yes.
alphabet, capital A,
Okay,
capital B. Yes.
okay, sir.
Just
Okay. सर पूरा बॉयलर प्लेट शो करना पड़ेगा लिख के.
just copy paste your old folder
Okay,
and
sir.
create in that. Okay. Just open your previous any practice.
The order list and unordered list both are.
Just create one order. Just create one list, but starting with
Yes.
alphabet, capital
Yes.
alphabet.
Okay, sir. Capital or small?
With capital.
What is?
Okay, good. Then open your HTML file. Increase the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 8. Okay, just copy paste 3, 3. Don't write. Just copy it 2, 3 times. It's okay. Good. Then yeah,
Yes.
I want to a red color to
Yes.
each even li element. Yes,
Even a element.
yes, red color. How to achieve it? Just show me. Just use embedded CSS. Don't create any external CSS.
Embedded CSS.
Yes, use embedded CSS. Don't create any external file. You can.
This is so.
Okay. Just open our HTML file. Suppose we have thousands of CLI elements,
Yes.
and this is not proper way to use on each LI element you use to class.
Even
Is there any another way?
yes, sir.
Then show me.
Pseudo elements through.
Yes, you can use and show me. Just remove that class. Yes.
Sir, another CSS file.
Yes, show me here. How to. Pseudo element or pseudo class. Just tell me first and then show me.
So no idea.
Okay, you can try it after the interview.
Sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then how can we club two or more rows or columns into a
Yes.
single row or column in HTML?
Yes, sir. So great.
Just tell me, then first tell me.
Questions repeating.
How can we club two or more rows or columns into a single row or column in a HTML
Row span and call span.
by using row span and call.
Call span.
Just create, just
Okay, sir.
remove it, order list, and create one.
Yes.
Don't change the content. Just show me.
Yes.
Then show me how to club
Yes.
two or more.
99 and 90.
Okay, sure.
First. 99 and 90. Split.
Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Then row span.
Yes, sir.
How to club two rows.
Yes. First columns.
Table is changed.
The
Again change. 1 TD is
missing.
out of table. Okay. Huh?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, you can check the after the interview. Just scroll up. Show me your embedded CSS. Scroll up, scroll up. Okay. Now at line number 7, something
Yes,
went
sir.
wrong. Okay.
Yes, sir. 2x
You need to check it.
border 2 pixels.
You can check. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Then yeah, tell me how many way can we position an HTML element?
Positions. There are 5 types of positions in their HTML element.
Can you elaborate it?
Uh, Fixed, sticky, static, absolute, and relative.
Explain me one by one how it will work.
Uh, Sticky. Sir, explain please. Sticky is the it is the HTML elements. It is no cannot apply top margin, top right and left, or bottom and apply. Not can apply
What?
positions. Sticky and fixed is the it is the HTML elements, and they apply positions are left, bottom, right, and top.
I can't recognize it. Okay. By default position, which is
Left
by default position?
static.
Okay. Okay. No problem. I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I think the network problem is going on. I'm not getting you. Just you need to brush up on it on positions. Okay, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then which type of advanced selectors we use in CSS?
Advanced selectors.
Yes. Can you explain one by one?
There are 4 types of selectors. First is a simple selector, second combinator selector, third is a attribute selector, and fourth is a pseudo selector and pseudo classes.
Okay. Can you elaborate?
Yes, sir. First is a simple selector. There are various types of simple selectors. Universal selectors denoted by star. Uh, uh, class selectors, they are denoted by denoted by dotted, and type selector, they denoted by tag, and uh, hash id selectors denoted by hash hash. And second is a combinator selector. First, there are various types of combinator selector: descendant selectors, descendant selector, sibling selector, sibling selector. Cha,
Okay, which type of symbol we use in general sibling selectors?
general sibling selectors. Till.
Tilde.
Yes.
Okay. And for adjacent sibling selectors?
Um, star. No, no. Um,
Just show me one example on general sibling selector.
s- uh, s- so no idea.
Okay. Then we'll start on JavaScript. Okay.
So,
Then tell me what data types are there in JavaScript?
there are two types of data types in JavaScript. First is a primitive data types, and second is a non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are also known as the non-reference and non-objects. And primitive data types are first is string, number, boolean, null, and undefined. And non-primitive, it is a three types of data types: object, object, function, and array.
What is the quotient?
Quotient. It is the where we can where we can uh, concretization of element. Concretization.
Sure.
No, sir.
Okay.
Is
Then what is the hoisting?
hosting. It is declaration. It declares a declaration property shifted to the top of the base or scope R page.
Okay. What is the scope?
Scope. Scope is the scope is accessibility and availability and accessibility. There are two types of scopes. First is a global scope, and second is a functional scope. The declare a declaration in the functional scope is called as a functional scope, and outside the function is called as a functional scope, and outside the function, inside the function is a functional scope, and outside the part is called as a global scope declaration part.
You need to brush upon it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the array?
Array. Array. Where we can store multiple data in the form of an index number is called as array.
What is difference between undefined and not defined?
Yes, sir. It is the undefined means it is a declaration declared declared it is a declaration part of.
Just show me one example.
Yes, sir.
Just create at bottom script.
Yes, yeah. Yes, यहाँ पे another file, sir, created.
Don't create any another file. Just create use it at bottom of the body.
Okay, sir.
You need to create a script first, then use. Hello, Neha. You need to create a script first.
Yes, sir.
Then write in that tag. Don't create any source files. Just write in that script tag.
Sir,
Yes. Just copy this line where x10 and console.log. Copy that lines. Yes. Cut, paste. Cut it. Yes. Okay. Now don't create. Open your index.html file. Yes. Enter the tab between script file. Create a space between. Yes.
yes.
Yes. Right. Then tell me what is the undefined and not defined.
Yes, sir. The declare it is the value is x console.log x. It values is x equals to 10. They are x equals to 10 and where is they are only declaration part of the hosting part. They are undefined. X is undefined.
Okay. Then what is mean by not defined?
Not defined means no declaration and a value is declared.
And show me.
Assign no value and value and assign. Mm,
Explain me with one example.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is X is not
Not
defined.
defined. Okay, that's good. Okay. Just create a one, print the number 1 to 10
Okay, sir.
in the numbers 1 to 10.
Sir, hello.
Okay, yeah. You can check or try it. Done from my side. Do you have any question for me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Just stop your screen.